Discover how to earn $7 every minute effortlessly with this secret online passive income method. Payments can be received via PayPal, Payoneer, or directly into your bank account. If PayPal isn't accessible in your region, you can still withdraw earnings straight into your local bank account. Like this video and follow along as we dive into Step 1 using a tool called Pixabay.com. Pixabay offers a massive library of over 5 million royalty-free images, videos, and music, all available for free. Don't worry, you don't need to sell or promote these pictures. Instead, we'll leverage them to establish a passive income system that runs on autopilot. This strategy will help you earn $7 per minute passively. Begin by creating a free account on Pixabay.com. Once done, use the search bar to look up dog and hit enter. You'll find countless adorable dog images, which people love. Focus on pictures featuring a single dog sitting or standing, as these are ideal for our system. Select and download 5 to 10 such images in the highest resolution. You can also explore Pexels or Unsplash for similar pet photos, which are free to use. Why are we gathering these pet images? If you check this online store, you'll notice they sell custom products like pet phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, pillows, and more. Customers provide pet photos, and the store uses a service like Printify to print and ship the items. The best part? The store owner doesn't need to create the designs or hold inventory, as Printify handles production and shipping costs, taking a small cut per sale. This business model, known as print on demand, is a win-win. The store earns profits while Printify manages the logistics. This shop generates over $3,000 daily without the owner lifting a finger on production. Next, head to Printify.com, link in the description. Printify connects you with white label products, blank items ready to customize, like phone cases, mugs, and t-shirts. Upload your designs, images, text, or graphics, and list the items on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. When a customer places an order, Printify fulfills it automatically, and you keep the profit. Let's look at this Etsy shop as an example. It's sold over 180,000 items like custom pet products. Even with an average price of $10 per item, they've earned over $1.8 million. If Etsy isn't available in your area, platforms like Redbubble, Amazon, and eBay are excellent alternatives. This is one of the simplest ways to start an online passive income business in 2024 and beyond. You can even capitalize on holidays like Christmas by designing festive-themed products like socks and hats. To get started, create a Printify account through the link provided. Connect it to your online store, Etsy, Shopify, or other platforms. Select products, upload designs, and start selling. Printify even offers tools like AI-powered design generators to create professional-quality images effortlessly. Once your products are live, Printify manages everything: printing, shipping, and even background removal for designs. You just focus on creating and listing your products. Whether you price items at $7, $10, or $20, this system can help you earn consistently with minimal effort. Start today using free resources like Pixabay, Unsplash, or Pexels for your designs. With Printify, you can turn simple images into profitable products and generate $7 every minute. Follow the steps, and soon you'll join others earning thousands in passive income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.